Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on Redmi 14C. To add a loyalty card to Google Wallet, go to Google Wallet, then when it opens, you can see that I already have a few loyalty cards here. So on the main page, just scroll down to find these loyalty cards, and to add a new one, click on this plus, then loyalty, and now you can choose a loyalty program either from here, the popular one, or search for it like that. I'm gonna search for IKEA Poland, and now you can scan a barcode from a physical loyalty card, or click on enter manually and enter your member ID manually. Then tap on add to wallet, and it's gonna display either the barcode, the QR code, or the member ID number. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.